1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hey guys! So welcome back to my channel, The Pretty Palette.
Guys, it's me Divyanshi, and today I'm doing the video with Shreya, and I'm so excited. Wow!
Yeah, so finally we are here with the video, and it took a lot of time to doing the what content should we upload.
It took a lot of time, in coordinating. Kabhi, I was like, we will do it at 5. Then, kuch na kuch problem ki wajah se. But now finally we are here, so I'm very excited. Wow.
I'm up with some 15 questions. I'm interviewing Divyanshi Jha, and I'm really very excited for it. And Divyanshi, you need to answer all of them,
nervous.
okay?
Oh God. This is the first. Okay.
So
This is the first time
Yeah.
I'm doing something like this. Anyone interviewing me is so good.
first question is, what's the most useless talent you have?
Most useless talent. Wow, interesting question. Nice. Useless in the sense you can say. Talent तो ऐसा कोई useless नहीं है. I don't have any. Cooking.
Okay.
Cooking. Yeah, cooking is the useless talent. which
You
I
think
have.
you think it is useless?
Like for me, cooking because I'm very bad at it, but I still know कैसे बनाते हैं तो
Okay.
I'm bad at it तो मेरे लिए useful कैसे होगा? I was making Maggi one time and वो पूरा जल गया तो how can it be useful? I suck at cooking so that's why. Otherwise
It's
cooking is
okay.
amazing.
Yeah.
No offense.
So the second question is, have you ever washed dishes?
Dishes. Yeah, I did obviously. Kabhi.
Okay. So
Yeah.
the next question is, have you ever eaten lipstick?
Are you here exposing me?
Kind of.
Oh, kind of, okay. I think
Yeah.
when I was 6-year-old I did because I remember I tasted the orange wala lipstick because I was like ये orange जैसा taste करेगा but I was totally oh god I don't know what I was thinking. I literally broke the whole lipstick for just eating it. It tasted
So did
so
your
bad.
mom
Like,
did,
don't
did
do
your
this.
mom say something?
Oh yeah, it was the lipstick of my mama, my mossy.
Yeah.
Then she was like ये कैसे हुआ तो मैं बोली कि मैं कुछ कर रही थी and वो टूट गया तो I didn't told her कि मैंने इसको खा लिया है.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh shit. It was
So my
embarrassing.
fourth question is, have you ever
Okay.
ate a chalk?
No, I don't do it. I find it very disgusting. In my school, everyone is eating chalk and I'm क्या भाई
Yeah,
कैसे?
it was fun during childhood. I also did it.
Nice. I don't know how it tastes. I will try it one time. I don't know how it tastes, so I cannot say it tastes disgusting or something. But
Yeah.
I don't know how someone can eat chalk.
So
Okay.
my next question is, what's the most beautiful moment of your life?
Beautiful moment of my life. Where my mother was getting awarded by Madhuri Dixit and Raveena.
Yes,
I was
yeah.
so proud
I saw your video, the vlog, na?
Yeah,
I
it was
saw
a
it.
proud moment for me. Wow,
Yeah.
my mom's favorite. Madhuri Dixit is the favorite actress of my mom. And I was like,
Yeah.
wow, I was so proud कि it's happening. So yeah, that was the most proud thing.
So
yeah.
my sixth question is, share your most embarrassing moment with us.
Embarrassing moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, one time, okay, why I'm even saying this, okay, one time I was going to my school and बस सब चल रहा था normally and जब मैं school पहुंची तब मुझे पता चला कि मेरे पास मेरा lunch bag तो है but मेरा real bag ही नहीं है जिसके अंदर oh, and my teacher was like कि मेरे पास शब्द नहीं, मेरी teacher के पास कोई शब्द नहीं था, she was speechless कि what is this Divyanshi, it was not expected from you, and I was like whole class was staring at me and I'm so sorry. then my mother sent me the like no,
Yeah.
my bag.
So my 7th question is, have you ever caught while cheating?
Cheating during during exam I don't cheat, but normal test ऐसा होता हाँ I got recorded, but I wasn't really cheating. Someone was asking from me and ma'am was like, no, you are asking, so now give me your paper, and I literally left the 5 marks wala question. So yeah,
Sad. So my 8th question is, have you ever punched your best friend?
punched my best friend. No,
Yeah.
no,
No?
thank God no.
Actually, I did. That's why I asked this question.
Wow. Like I feel like punching, like I have literally given slap on the back, but
Yeah.
punch wala punch to kabhi nahi. Nice.
So my 9th question is, what's the thing from you which you get scared?
Oh, okay. It's like
Yeah.
losing someone very close to me. It happened. Like I lose so many friends these days.
Yeah.
Like they are like, now you're famous, so you are just very famous. You ignore us. So it's the
Oh.
most scariest thing happened to me. Ki someone very close to me saying, ki, no, now you're changed and all. So yeah, it became
Yeah.
scary. The next is ghost. Obviously, I scared a lot. Like.
Yeah.
Everything at night, I am like ki someone is staring at me, and that's the scariest thing.
At night, I feel this so much.
Like yeah, wow, I exposed myself.
So 10th question is, the moment when you felt proud of yourself was?
The moment when I hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, and
Wow.
when I learned how to speak English. Yeah, that was the moment I was like कि हाँ मेरे में भी कुछ talent है. Self promotion and self obsession. No, self love.
Yeah, self-love is important.
Self love is important. True.
My 11th question is, if you were changed into a boy for a day, what will be the first thing that you will do?
I'll ask my crush that do you like Divyanshi?
That's cool, that's cool, that's cool.
Oh god, like it came in my mind suddenly. कभी मैंने ऐसा सोचा नहीं, but अचानक से I thought कि yeah, why not?
So when this pandemic goes, what will be the first thing that you will do?
I will travel. Like wow, I will go to mall like first thing, and I will buy a lot of kapra because
Yeah, that's
I
must.
need clothes.
So question 13 is, what if you meet Pragati Verma? What will be your first reaction?
I will start crying because like I literally dream every day of it कि कभी मैं उनसे मिलूँ तो what will be my reaction? I think
Yeah, I saw
will
your
shoot it
all
at-
videos. Then I found it. Pragati Verma is your favorite.
Yeah, I will be like कि what? I know that this is a dream, but someday I will for sure. Like I will go to her house and I will meet her because I just love her.
Yeah. So my question 14 is, what if we both meet one day?
Wow, I'll be so happy. I will vlog with you. I will eat ice cream.
Actually,
will enjoy with
I
you.
start
Hang
crying.
up. Yeah, no. Because like yeah, you're so amazing and you're so sweet. I just love you.
Thank you so much. I love you too. So my last question is, but not the least, one message you want to give to our followers?
My followers or your followers or
Both?
like followers of both.
Yeah.
Guys, please stay safe during this time. Very very obvious line. Everyone is saying it, but yeah,
Yeah,
that's very
yeah.
important. Make sure to be safe and yeah, be happy. Spread positivity. Don't hate anyone.
That's
Don't know what
okay.
will happen.
That's okay.
Yeah, and it was amazing.
Yeah.
Loving
So my personal question I'll ask, who is your
Okay.
crush?
My crush.
Just
Cannot
fun.
disclose.
Yeah, it's okay. I just asked it for fun. So yeah, I'm done with my questions. Thank you so much, Divyanshi.
Wow. Oh, it's Well, you're welcome, and I enjoyed it a lot. Like, trust me, I was like very nervous at first, but now I enjoyed it a lot.
I'm
You are just
still nervous, you know.
so amazing. Yeah. And just never stop making videos. You know, you're the best. You're the
Thank
best.
you so much.
Okay.
So, yeah.
That's
thank
it
you
for
so
our
much. Yeah.
collab.
Yeah. Bye everyone.
Bye.